Remember in our previous videos, we delivered our 450 Mbps wireless network access points. Remember, you did recall? Okay, and I told you that it will be installed in different pathways in this smart software. Here is one. As you can see, this is it. The speed and coverage is awesome. Where's my phone? Okay, I'm with my phone. Let me connect this up. Wow, this is really powerful. I just googled something now and the speed is like, even a second service is not up to the speed. This is, we are talking of megabytes per second. As you can see, an partner is testifying to the kind of speed that this internet network access point controls. The coverage is awesome. This is solely deployed by Hookninjas Limited. We give you the best standard wherever you go. It's the only Hookninjas that can always deploy the best standard when it comes to 450 Mbps wireless network access point.